1, 2, 3, microphone check. 1, 2, 3, microphone check. One, two, three, microphone check. Okay, this one works well. We can start the process, but let me remove the second one, live video. All right, let's check it live. Okay, everything works well. We can start. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel KANSIGLIERE. This is the first video in 2025 year, and I wish you all the best in this new year. Today I'm going to start a conversation about team performance and engineering squad and possible ways how we can measure their KPIs. But at the beginning of this conversation, let me remind you guys that you have a great opportunity to ask me any questions directly. To do that, you just need to open my YouTube channel, click here to get access to all available links, and you just need to click on the first link. It will open a new page with Google Form where you can write all your questions and send them to me. From my side, I'm going to review all your questions and try to answer them in the next videos. Also guys, you have additional opportunity to support this channel. To do that, you just need to click on the second link, and here you can donate any amount of money to keep this channel alive. So, what we are going to do today? Today I'm going to start a conversation about team performance. Let's imagine the situation what you are responsible for engineering squad, and how you can ensure what each your teammates do or does their work. For this purpose, we could use different applications to track changes for selected time range. Let me start with discussion from our Jira. Here are Jira, what I use to track the progress related to KANSIGLIERE channel. Here I have several projects, and each project contains its own tickets. Usually, each engineering use ticket tracking system to keep information about all changes related to their product. And first indicator what we could use in reporting system to measure performance of different teams is to track how many tickets were created, changed, or closed. Let's write this information here. So let's create some content tree. So first area what we could track, it will be ticket management system, for instance Jira in my case. So what we could track, first of all, we could track number of created tickets for any selected time range. Also, we could validate number of closed tickets. I mean cases when we have fully implemented tickets. Also, what we could track, for any closed tickets we could measure the number of story points, or we also can measure the number of hours what we spent to implement any functionality. Time tracking. What else we could validate from different Scrum teams? From QA perspective, we could work with test cases. For instance, we could work with test case management system In our case, it will be test rail. What we could track here? Here we can track, for instance, number of created test cases. We could validate number of updated test cases. We also could validate coverage. For different functionalities. For test runs, we could validate number of executed tests, number of past test cases, number of failed test cases. What else we could validate? From code perspective, code management system, GitHub or GitLab. We could validate a number of created merge requests, number of merged requests. What else we could validate? We could validate the coverage by unit test cases. What else we could validate for different teams? We could validate how much time we spend for each status for any ticket. I mean, for instance, when you start working on any new ticket has status or new or ready for development. After that, you move this ticket to in development state. When you write some part of the code, you create a merge request and move the ticket in the code review state. And for some cases, it's important to validate how long we keep different tickets in different state. So, how to call it? Let me think. Let's call it duration of stay in the status. Here what we also could have number of flaky tests, and here probably that's it. I think right now these are general indicators what we could use to measure performance of any Scrum team in engineering squad. If you guys have any ideas how we can extend this list, feel free to write your ideas in the comments to this video, and in few minutes I will start another live video where we start working on some reporting system. More details you will see very soon. So guys, feel free to subscribe to the channel and have a nice day. Bye guys.